Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to see another mini folio, and this one is going to be an Easter themed junk journal folio. I also want to let you know about a few changes that has been happening in the shop. So I've opened another shop named Citrus Journal Subi. This shop is going to make it possible for other payment methods other than just PayPal, because the current shop, Citrus Journal Studio, only accepts PayPal, and a lot of changes has happened, but my shop could not be adapted to the new Etsy payment method, so I had to shift to a new shop so that the other payment methods can be made available for you. So this folio is available in the new shop, Citrus Journal Subi. The link is given in the description below. And if you would like any other journals or the kits that are available in the old shop, but you would like to have other payment methods, you can message me through the Etsy shop and I can give you make it available for you in the other payment methods and give you a link so that it will be easy for you to get those kits through your preferred payment methods. So that's it about the announcements. So you can just continue watching the video. This is a very quick and an easy Easter project. Follow me on Instagram and get up to 50% discounts. If you keep watching the stories, you can get the link to avail 50% off on the new shop. And I will see you in another video. Thank you and bye.